Hi everyone, this is George, back with another video, part 2. This is the part 2 of this video I'm going to do about the demonstration how this coffee machine works. Okay, so I'm going to try and do this with one-handed because I haven't got my tripod, so I'm going to see how I can do this with one-handed. Okay, so so I got the pods out ready to go into the machine and you know, see how this is going to work. So first you have to put this one in first. It says you have to put this one in first, the brown one first, and then this one late after as well. Alright, so I know lots of you are going to say this is this cup is a lot bit bigger than I thought, but it's actually so hopefully it should work perhaps actually, but so I'm now going to all you got to do is just flip this lid up, pull the tray out, put that down, put the this in here, push it into the tray in there, push this down, yeah, click, that means it's confirmed, it's in, and then push this to the hot side, and then it should work. Here we go. Okay, that'll be enough. Okay, might have had a bit too much in, but never mind. Okay, and then lift up the lid, lift up that, pull this out, put it on the dripping tray, put it on the dripping tray there, get the white one as quickly as possible, right, and then get the this one, and then push this down again, and it's gone green, the light's gone green, so it's confirmed to start again. Here we go. Okay, that's a bit perfect. Yeah, it's perfect actually. And I'm making one of these. I know I'm a little bit of a cup of tea person, but I like this. I like to try to have a taste of this, but it's good actually. So you can see it's actually got a good fluff going on it, and yeah. So okay, then that's it. And so that's my demonstration of this. You know, there you go. Perfect, isn't it, eh? Okay, so if you like this video, please put a thumbs up, and if you like this video, please put a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and turn to know when the next video drops. Thank you for watching, and if you like this product as well, please don't forget to put the, if you want to find me as well, just type the name and then you find me, and then you can watch me again if you want to see me again, perhaps if you... I promise I'll make some more videos, okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.